Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Today we will share with you a detailed step-by-step recipe for a pickle that's tasty and healthy too. It's got the goodness of lime, carrots, green chili, garlic, ginger and other ingredients. Besides adding flavor to a meal, it also aids in digestion. Enjoy this delicious pickle with dal, fish curry, rice, parathas, rotis, etc. Our recipe for today is delicious mixed vegetable pickle. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Take 16 medium-sized limes, 9 medium-sized green chilies which are less spicy, 3 medium-sized carrots weighing around 250 grams, 1-inch piece of ginger cut fine, 2 pods of garlic. After cleaning and cutting the garlic into halves, it should be around 1/3 cup. Take 3 tablespoons of mustard seeds in a bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi seeds and mix it nicely. Mustard and fenugreek seeds must be slightly dry roasted. Grind them to a fine powder. Our mustard and fenugreek seeds powder is ready. Take 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing powder, 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, around 20 to 25 curry leaves or curry patta, 2 tablespoons of mustard dal. Mustard dal can be skipped if it is not available, but it helps in increasing the volume and taste. 2 teaspoons of turmeric or haldi powder, 4 tablespoons of medium spicy chili powder. We use bedgi chili powder. 8 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder, which is less spicy but gives a vibrant red color to the pickle. Step 2. Preparing the limes. Wash and dry the limes properly. Limes should be firm and free of any blemishes or discoloration. Cut the 2 ends of the lime like I have shown and remove any blemishes or discoloration. Cut the limes into quarters. The thin-skinned variety of limes is better to use as they are less bitter and mature quickly. Remove and discard the lime seeds as it will reduce the bitterness of the pickle.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Cut the quarts of the limes into 2. Similarly, cut the other limes. Slightly squeeze the lime to remove little juice from each piece. Do not squeeze it completely. Lime juice is also ready. Transfer the lime pieces into a bowl. Add 1/4 cup of salt. If you are using regular fine table salt, then you will need to reduce the quantity as we have used locally available sea salt. Mix it well, cover and keep it aside for at least 3 hours. Step 3. Preparing the other vegetables. Cut the 2 ends of the green chilies. Cut the green chilies into smaller pieces like I have shown. Similarly, cut the other green chilies. Cut the 2 ends of the carrot. Peel off the outer skin of the carrots. Cut the carrots into pieces like I have shown.
Help us spread the love for Goan cuisine. Give us a thumbs up if you like our videos, and please share them with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from our recipes. Do comment with your feedback and suggestions to help us make our videos even more better for you.
Similarly, peel and cut the other carrots. Step 4. Preparing the mixed vegetable pickle. Place a wide open, thick bottom pan on medium-low heat. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of mustard oil. Add 1 cup or 250 ml of sunflower oil or non-flavored cooking oil. You can add less quantity of oil if you are going to consume this pickle immediately. Oil increases the shelf life of the pickle. Once the oil is hot, add quarter teaspoon of asafoetida or hing powder. Add 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. Use less oil if you don't need to store the pickle for a longer time. Once the mustard seeds splutter, add the mustard and fenugreek powder and mix it well. Add the curry leaves or curry patta and mix well. Add the garlic pieces. Add the ginger pieces and mix well. Now add the carrot pieces and mix it well. Add the mustard dal and mix it well. Add the lime pieces and mix it well. Limes are very healthy and rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Limes help in digestion, detoxification, controlling blood pressure. It also lowers cholesterol and weight. Cook for around 10 minutes until the skin of the limes becomes slightly soft. Add the green chili pieces and mix it well.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Add the lime juice and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons of salt and mix it well. Add 2 teaspoons of turmeric or haldi powder and mix it well. Turn off the heat 10 minutes after adding the limes and vegetables. Add the medium spicy chili powder. We have used Bedgi chili powder. Add the 5 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Mix it well. Add the remaining 3 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Mix everything properly. Check for salt and spice and add if required. We added around 3 tablespoons of salt. Mix it well and check the consistency. If you are using regular fine table salt, then you will need to reduce the quantity as we have used locally available sea salt. Let the pickle cool completely at room temperature before storing it. Store the pickle in a clean, sterilized, completely dry, airtight glass container. Keep it in a cool, dry place. Let the pickle mature for at least 20 to 30 days before consuming or storing in the refrigerator. Ensure that there is a layer of oil floating over the pickle as it will preserve the pickle better. Mixed vegetable pickle is ready. Do write a comment to let us know your feedback on this recipe, and please press that like button if you love watching our detailed recipe videos. If you try this recipe, please post a picture and tag us on social media.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.